Today we're working on a LiftMaster L979M wireless keypad, and I'll show you how to remove it from the wall and replace the battery. First, we're going to remove the keypad from the wall. Start by opening the front battery lid. To do that, slide the cover down until it comes off. Once the cover is open, you'll see the battery inside. Under the battery area, there's a screw holding the keypad to the wall. Use a screwdriver to remove that screw and put it somewhere safe. After the bottom screw is removed, the keypad will still be hanging on a hidden screw behind the unit. To release it, slide the keypad upward, then gently pull it toward you. The keypad should come off the wall. Now that the unit is removed, we can replace the battery. Take out the old battery from the compartment. This keypad uses a 9-volt battery. Take your new 9-volt battery and connect it to the battery clip. Place the battery back into the compartment so it sits properly inside the keypad. Now we can reinstall the keypad back on the wall. Line up the back of the keypad with the hidden wall screw. Hang the keypad back onto the screw, then slide it down into position. Once it is sitting properly, reinstall the bottom screw. Now, close the front battery lid by sliding it back up into place. Test the keypad to make sure it powers on and works properly. That's it! The battery on the LiftMaster L979M keypad has been replaced, and the unit is back on the wall.